Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create an account on Clickbank. So if Clickbank is available in your country, then you will face no problem at all. But if it is not allowed in your country and it is not available, then you need to connect to a VPN so you can flawlessly create an account on Clickbank. And after connecting to a VPN, just search for Clickbank on Google and click on the first link that you will see on Google. Let it open, and after that just click on login, and here you will see this option of create an account at the bottom. Just click on it. Type in all your details and select all the details related to you so you can easily connect and get your account created. Let me select mine. You can read the terms and conditions of creating an account on Clickbank by clicking on continue to terms and conditions, and these are the terms and conditions. After that, just click on this option of I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure that you type in the country code in your phone number so it is valid, and after that just click on create account. So that's how you create an account on Clickbank. Just click on no thanks and continue to sign up. Now just complete your profile and do all the things that you want to do, and that's how easy it was to create an account on Clickbank. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.